In this very quick video guide, I want to show you this website called Bensound, and in here we can find a lot of free music we can use for videos or any other audio video project we are working on. So it has some indications, so we need to first go to Google and search for Bensound if we want to find it. Otherwise, we can just type www.bensound.com and you can see we can directly access to the free music part. Otherwise, we also have more options here. But if we're going for the free music, you can just go there and start from here. So you can search using words. So I can search for like relax. And so you can see a series of results that are appearing here in the page. So if I press play, I can choose one of these track. I can hear it. I can adjust the volume. I can go back and forward. I can say I like it. And then I can also download and get more info, copy the link, etc., etc. Now, if you click on this green button, this is the free download button. So if you click there, you will be able then to download it. And so let's click here. And as you can see, we need to attribute the author. We need to give attribution to the author using an attribution text, etc., etc. So if you click here, you can just download now the MP3 file. I'm just going to create a new folder quickly. So, or you can download it in any folder or in the download folders usually by default. So I'm going to create a Bensound folder, save, and that's it. You can see there we have the attribution text that needs to be copied, and we can see the file now is in the folder as MP3 format, so I can use it in any software like Natron or Shotcut or any video editor or Premiere Pro, After Effects, and etc., etc. So I'm going to close this up. You can read all the other instructions here, and that's it. Let's close. Let's just want to show you here the various software. So Natron is open source software for video effects, and then we have Shotcut, which is perfect for montage, Premiere Pro also for video editing, video montage, After Effects for video effects and audio effects. So you're probably creating a project, you want to use some music, there you go. So you can go for categories also, popular searches. You can search for rock, happy, electronic, positive, ambient, energizing, inspiring, cinematic if you're doing like cinematic for a video game, and etc., etc. And then you find a bunch of results. Then you can hear, and then you can also see the filters up here. You can clear all the filters from up here, or you can just delete one filter, or you can go directly on the left side. You can apply more filters or deactivate other filters from here. So it's pretty easy to use, pretty fast, simple. Now you can start with a genre. So you can use ambient as a genre, and then you can proceed with the mood. So you have genre mood, and there you go. So feel good, positive, that's fine. Then you have a theme also. So if it's a film or education, documentary, um, all the ones that you see right here. Also, you can turn on and off the filter here for free music only or not. So if you turn it off, probably you're gonna have more results, but you need to like pay for them. And also energy level. It's only displaying low because I've chosen, I think, like something relaxing. And then duration, you can also adjust the duration, so apply. And there you see, there's the sound right there. It's called Echoes from the Mountain, but also you will find others. And this is free for download, as you can see. So again, if I can click there, click, download, and store it. And you can see again all the instructions here, how to use it with no copyright claim. So just copy the attribution text, paste it wherever is needed. And also, if you want, there is a pro version or like paid version. If you pay like about 10 €a month, And that's it. So let's deactivate the free music only. It's nothing appearing here, so I'm just gonna increase like the duration. So there you go, another one. This is not for free, so I need to click on the little chart. I need to buy this, so I can directly buy the license for this track, or I can go for the monthly subscription, etc., etc. So I think you now know everything about this site, more or less. So I think this will be good enough for this video. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to stay updated for more. Join the channel to support us, and so we can create more of this. And go and check our other video courses and video guides in the channel. Thanks again. See you in the next video.